If you've ever stared at your screen wondering what to post next, you're not alone. Even the best creators hit that "what do I talk about" wall. The good news? There's a simple solution: content pillars. Your content pillars are the foundation of your brand message, the 3 to 5 main themes you consistently talk about that help people instantly understand who you are and what you stand for. They bring structure to your creativity, clarity to your storytelling, and direction to your growth. Step 1. Start with your mission. Before you can decide what to talk about, you need to know why you're talking at all. Ask yourself, what transformation am I helping people achieve? What problem am I solving? What do I want to be known for 1 year from now? Your mission becomes your North Star, and your content pillars are the path to it. Step 2. Identify your core categories. Think of your pillars like chapters in your brand story. Each one should represent a key part of your expertise or passion. Here's a simple formula. Pillar 1. Your main topic, what you want to be known for. Pillar 2. The mindset or philosophy behind it. Pillar 3. The personal stories that humanize your message. Pillar 4. Optional. Lifestyle or behind-the-scenes content that shows your personality. These pillars give you variety without losing focus. They make it easy to brainstorm ideas because you always know which bucket to pull from. Step 3. Speak to 3 layers of connection. Great content doesn't just teach, it connects. So when you plan your pillars, make sure they hit 3 levels. Educational. What can your audience learn from you? Emotional. What can they feel or relate to? Experiential. What part of your journey can they see themselves in? When your pillars touch all 3, you're not just posting, you're building a relationship. Step 4. Let your audience shape the pillars. You don't have to guess what people want. Your audience will tell you. Look at your top performing posts. What are people commenting on, sharing, or saving? What questions do they ask you most often? Your audience's feedback shows you where your message hits hardest. Refine your pillars based on what resonates, not just what you think should work. Step 5. Create consistency, not repetition. Here's the secret to keeping your content fresh. Your pillars stay the same, but your angles evolve. For example, if one of your pillars is mindset, one week you might talk about overcoming fear. The next week, it could be about self-belief or handling failure. Same pillar, new angle. That's how you stay consistent without being repetitive. Step 6. Make it personal. The most powerful content pillars are rooted in your story. Because people don't just want to learn from you, they want to know you. Your unique experiences, lessons, and challenges are what make your pillars authentic. Don't just share information, share perspective. Remember, facts inform, but stories connect. Step 7. Evolve with your growth. Your pillars aren't permanent. As you evolve, your content should too. Your audience will grow with you, as long as you bring them along for the journey. Review your pillars every few months and ask, does this still represent me? Does this still serve my audience? Great brands evolve, but they evolve with intention. Without content pillars, you're just posting at random. With them, you're building a brand that people remember, trust, and follow. Your pillars give your creativity direction. They keep you consistent, focused, and aligned with your purpose. So take a moment to define yours, your themes, your mission, your message, because when you know what to talk about and why you're talking, your content doesn't just reach people, it resonates.